Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Pink color, green color, blue color, red color, chocolate color, orange color, black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: hexagon, heart, pentagon, triangle, star and circle. First we're going to draw the shapes. Hexagon, heart, pentagon, triangle, star, circle. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, hexagon. Red color, heart. Chocolate color, pentagon. Pink color, triangle. Orange color, star. Blue color, circle. What we learn? We learn green color, hexagon, red color, heart, chocolate color, pentagon, pink color, triangle, orange color, star, blue color, circle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.